Student, we'll continue lesson number 18 from science, wastewater storage. In previous video, I told to you how we treat pollute water and how we are getting the clarifying water, or it is called as a clean water. Okay, how many methods I told to you? Physical, chemical and biological method. By using some biological agent, some chemical and some physical method, we can easily get the clean water. Next point we'll discuss on page number 223. Wastewater treatment plant. Everybody take your science textbook. Page number 223. In wastewater treatment, what I told to you? Physical, chemical and biological method we are using here. Which physical method, which object we are using, which chemical we are using, which biological microorganism we are using, and how we will get clean water. Okay. First one we will discuss whatever big material, large object which is removed by using the bar screen. In figure 18.3 given, bar screen given there. By using bar screen, we'll remove the can, plastic packet, napkins, rag, sticks, okay. Whatever big object we'll remove by using bar screen. It is called as a physical method. What is the second point given? Then afterward you have to pass this water to a grit and sand removal tank. What happen here? Those are the heavy material get settled down. Very big pebbles, sand, grit, whatever big particles present in that wastewater, it gets settled down in second step. What happened in the third step? In figure 18.4 already grit and sand removal tank given here. Okay. After settle down, which thing is important? To remove this layer. Then how we are removing? By using the scraper, we can easily remove the layer. The water is then allowed to sit in a large tank, then which is sloped towards the middle. Solid like phases settles at the bottoms and are removed with the scraper. This is a solid material called as sludge. Then next question. What is the difference between the sewage and sludge? Sewage is a liquid, sludge is a solid. Remaining part, which one remaining part? Dissolved and suspended particles or pollutant or contaminants as it is present in sewage as well as sludge. Only their state change. Those are the oil and grease material which is floats on the water. You have to remove by using the filtration technique. Then afterward, you have to add some biological microorganism, for example, anaerobic bacteria. This anaerobic bacteria degrades the waste material and biogas produced from it. Everybody know the role of biogas? We will use this biogas for the production of electricity, otherwise for cooking purpose also we are using biogas. When we are adding this anaerobic bacteria, this method is called as a biological method. When we are using the tank, when we are using the bar screen, it is a physical method. When we are adding the anaerobic microorganism means bacteria, it is called as biological method. Then when we are passing the air, due to that air, this bacteria shows the proper growth, means in the fourth point already given here. Air is pumped into the clarified water to help the aerobic bacteria to grow. Then bacteria consume the human waste, food waste, soap and other unwanted matter. And in this way, what happen? Those waste material present there, it becomes degrade. Solid parts get settled down. Those are the foams which are present above the surface. Then you have to purify it, means filter it properly, and then again we are adding the next thing, it is called as a chemical. After biological method, we are using the chemical method. Whatever activated sludge, those dry sludge which are present there, means after removal of that dry sludge, what is the role of that dry sludge? Where we are using? Here given on page number 224, right hand side second para. Dried sludge is used as a manure, returning organic matter and nutrient to the soil. Is it clear? Means manure, organic matter and nutrients. If we are providing this dried sludge, they are providing all nutrient, manure and organic matter to the soil. That is the uses of dried sludge. The next point given, in this way you have to use that dried sludge and those are water present there. You have to first of all treat with the help of the chemical method, underline it, chlorine and ozone before releasing it into the distribution system. Means you have to add some chemical. When we are adding chlorine and ozone, these are the strong bleaching agent. They bleaches the impurities and then afterward this clean water you have to use for the different purposes. Means in this way we can easily recycle the water and will use for the different purpose. Is it clear for everyone? How many steps given here? 4. You have to use the bar screen. What is the function of bar screen? To remove the large object from the wastewater. Second thing, you have to use the grit and sand tank. Those are the big particle get settled down. Those are the lighter one. These are floating there. Next thing, those are the big particle. Those are settled. You have to remove by using the scraper and then afterward you have to add the anaerobic microorganism. You have to provide the aerator or means to provide the air in it. These microorganisms decompose the material. Whatever dry part is there, you have to use as a manure and those water contained, you have to add some chemical, for example chlorine and ozone, and in this way we are getting the clean water. Use this clean water for the different purpose. It is called as a wastewater treatment. Next point given, become an active citizen. You all are active citizen. Then how you will control all that things? Means how you treat the wastewater, which waste generally we are using. Here given you are active citizens means you know very well your role. Means where you are throwing the garbages, then you have to provide the hygienic condition for your family, sanitize properly each and everything. Okay, those are the mosquito flight. Generally we are using the good night. Otherwise you have, if anything is there means too much dirt particles are there, you have to tell to your gram panchayat. Otherwise cooperation means, for example if gram panchayat is there, otherwise nagar parishad is there, means you have to give the message to the respective person. That respective person will clean our surrounding. Is it clear? Means becomes an active citizen, you have to clean your surrounding because it is good for our health. Next point given, better housekeeping practices. Your mother also always telling to you number of the good practices, what to do in the home. Here also 3 given about the cooking oil and fats. You know very well if we are adding the cooking oil and fats in the sink, otherwise in a drainage system, they will block our drainage system. Therefore you have to throw in dustbin. Is it clear? Second thing, those are the chemical like paint, solvent, insecticide, motor oil. Do not throw them directly in the drain. You have to, what happen? Those are the essential microorganisms which are present in the drainage system. Those degrade the material which is beneficial. If we are adding this paint, solvent or insecticide, beneficial microorganism will kill. Therefore you have to throw in dustbin. Next thing given, third one, tea leaves, solid food remains, soft toys, cotton. Where you are adding, you have to diswaste, choke the drainage system also, and do not allow free flow of oxygen. Therefore you have to put in a proper degradation process, otherwise you have to add in a particular dustbin, and in this way maintain hygiene, sanitized condition in our home. Your home should be clean because it is a very good, very essential for our health. That is the better housekeeping practices. On the next page given, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Everybody know the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan means whatever area, in which area you are living, in city, then afterward your state, means each and everything if you want clean, then you have to follow the rules and regulation provided by the government, and all these rules also given in a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next point given, vermi composting or vermi processing. Earthworm is called as a friend of a farmer. Is it clear? And which is very important for the vermi composting. Those are the living things, means waste, those are the vegetable, fruits, waste material. If you will decompose all that thing, we are getting manure. We are getting manure means in this way we can also earn some money from that vermicompost. And everybody know the role of the earthworm in it. These earthworm degrade that food material and convert this food material or waste material into the manure. Is it clear? Vermicomposting. It is also called as a vermicomposting. Next point given, sanitation and diseases. Sanitization and diseases or sanitation and disease. Everyone know, if poor sanitation is there, what happen? We'll suffer the different diseases. Here also same point given. Poor sanitation and contaminated drinking water is cause a large number of diseases. Here some diseases also given. In the last line given, everybody read. Cholera, typhoid, polio, meningitis, hepatitis and dysentery, all these are due to the dirty water. All these are due to the dirty water. If water get polluted, soil get polluted, will suffer the number of the diseases. Therefore, it is necessary you have to treat that industrial water also. In this para given, a very large fraction of our people depends in the open or dry river beds on railway track near the field and many a time directly in water. Untreated human excreta is a health hazard. It may cause the water pollution and soil pollution, and both the surface water and groundwater get polluted. If groundwater is the source of the water for well, tube well, spring and many river, as already you have learned in chapter number 16. If this dirty water mixes in our groundwater, what happen? We'll suffer from the different diseases. Already I told to you, cholera, typhoid, polio, meningitis, all these are the diseases. Therefore, we'll want the good sanitation methods. Is it clear? Then we'll discuss now next thing, alternative arrangement for the sewage disposal. For sewage disposal, which alternative arrangement we are generally using? You have to improve the sanitation, low cost on-site sewage disposal system are being encouraged. Means you have to find out the cheaper sewage disposal system. Is it clear? And in this way what happen? If biogas plant is there, you have to add some waste in it, and in this way we are getting the biogas. Again we will earn some money from it also. Means it is beneficial for us. Is it clear? Next thing given, sanitation at a public places. It is important or not important? Now you are going from the same period. Means what happen? Corona is there, COVID-19 is there, and always we are using the sanitizer. Sanitation technique is important for our health. Here also given, sanitation at public places. In our country, fairs are organized periodically. A large number of the people participate in them. In the same way, railway station, bus depot, airport, hospital are very busy places, and thousands of people always visit to that places. Therefore, it is necessary to maintain proper cleanliness there, proper sanitation also. Those are the public places you have to sanitize properly. Is it clear? Those are the drainage system, sewage water system, those are the sewerages. You have to maintain properly. Regular service also important, and government also given lot of rules. They are given some strict rule also, but how many rules you are following? You know very well. Is it clear? Okay. Then what is the conclusion of this lesson? You are using the dustbin also? Yes. What is the conclusion of this lesson? You have to follow each and every rule and regulation which is provided by the government. You have to maintain proper hygienic condition. You have to keep our surrounding clean and healthy. Okay, that is the conclusion of this lesson. Is it clear? Each and everything given in conclusion. Then here Mahatma Gandhi said, which sentence given here? No one need to wait for anyone else to adapt the humans and enlightened course of action. Okay, you have to start the cleanliness from your home, and then after the home, then area, then surrounding, then our city, then our taluka, then district, in this way. Okay, in this way you have to maintain cleanliness properly. Okay, then listen, that is your last lesson. Now your syllabus over. All the best for your exam. Thank you everyone.